Hey everyone, it's Angelo Merville with View Atlanta Properties, and today I have something special, an ultra luxury brand new home in the exclusive Wellpointe at Niskey Lake Enclave in Southwest Atlanta. I'll show you 4,289 square feet of contemporary design, high-end finishes, and all the perks of a new construction. So as you can see, the curb appeal is absolutely beautiful. The architectural style, stone and stucco. The lot size here is 0.41 acres, which gives decent yard space in Atlanta. Wellpointe at Niskey Lake is quiet, no HOA, new homes with an exclusive feel. This home is close to downtown Atlanta, the Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, Woodward Academy, the John A. White Golf Course, Tyler Perry Studios, and the anticipated $1 billion 6 West development. The schools serving this community are Deerwood Academy, Bunch Middle, and Therrell High School. If you love this home, we have to act fast. This is the final available home in this enclave, so you're seeing the last chance to get into this neighborhood. Hey, are you looking to buy a house? Well, go on, snag your buyer's guide using the link in the description. I will show you from start to finish what it looks like to purchase a home here in Atlanta to make sure you are comfortable and confident throughout the process. If you would like me as your realtor, book your discovery call today. So as we come in, you can already notice it's a very open concept floor plan with soaring ceilings and natural light. You have a dramatic open staircase and a beautiful dining room area off to the right. This space has beautiful natural light, and just check out the chandelier. This is your 2-car garage. And half bath. Did I mention that this space has beautiful natural light? It's plenty of space to entertain. Hey, if you love this home tour and you would like video like this, shoot me a text. I'll show you how we get more money and sell homes in a shorter amount of time than anybody else in the Atlanta market. It all comes down to our marketing plan and videography on homes just like this one. I would love to interview for the position and showcase your home just like this one. Back to the video. As we approach our gourmet kitchen with an oversized quartz waterfall island, double ovens, gas cooktop, two-tone cabinetry, plus a walk-in pantry, as you can see. As we walk towards the back, there are sliding glass doors toward the deck to access your outdoor entertaining space, which we'll see a little bit later. But for now, let's make our way to the main level guest suite, which is a versatile space. It could be an in-law suite or an office space for your everyday convenience. As we go up the dramatic open staircase, you'll see how modern this builder has chosen the finishes. entering one of the spacious bedrooms with custom built-ins in the closet, with beautiful custom finishes in the bathroom. Now we're entering another bedroom that's quite spacious with even more closet space. Again, beautiful custom finishes in the bathroom. Off to the right, you'll see what appears to be a laundry closet, but opens up to a laundry room, equipped with a sink and cabinetry for storage. Now for the main attraction, the primary suite. This bedroom is very spacious with its own private balcony. Step into your walk-in closet, ready for you to make your final touches. And through the closet, you'll find the spa bath, one large double vanity with dual frameless showers, a freestanding soaking tub. And now let's make our way back downstairs to check out the outdoor space and the basement. We have sliding glass doors that lead you out to your private outdoor deck. And as I mentioned earlier, we are on 0.41 acres of land, which is a sizable lot for Atlanta. Now let's make our way to our daylight basement. With over 2,000 square feet and ceiling standing 15 feet tall. It's already stubbed for extra rooms and a bathroom. There's so much potential down here for a media room, gym, guest suite, you name it. And this concludes our property tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.